COMEDK 2025 aspirants, so your choice filling has already started. So in this video I'll be talking about some steps that you can follow to prepare the best choice filling for yourself. Now many students might complain that the video is quite late. I understand that, but let me tell you that you will still be getting chances to edit your choice filling even after the mock round. So these steps, this guidance you can definitely use to update, to improve your choice filling even after the mock round results are out. Okay, so first let us see why is choice filling important, right? So now let's discuss why this choice filling is important. Okay, so choice filling is definitely important because it determines which college and course you will be getting. Okay, so if you don't prepare the choice filling properly, you may end up in getting an average college even if you have a top rank, or you may end up in getting a branch in which you are not that interested, right? So to get the best college and best branch according to your rank, you should do choice filling properly. Okay, so now remember, here's a secret: higher the options, the more choices you give, there are more chances of getting the best college. Okay, so please make sure that you should be preparing a number of choices. It should not be limited. At least 100 plus choices should be given. Okay, so okay, before we move, just let us keep some dates in our mind quickly. So the choice filling for mock round was closed on 28th of July and the allotment will be on 22nd July, and you will be getting to edit your choice filling till 24th July. So technically you have time to edit your choice filling till 24th July. Okay, so that is why I can say this video is not late. Even after 20th July, when the results are out, till 22nd also, after that you can use this result to make your option entry. Next I'll be talking about some important instructions that is given by COMEDK, that is candidates can add as many choices or preferences as per the college or as per the course during choice filling. So there is no limit to the number of options you enter, it can be infinite. Okay, candidates can modify their college or courses selected any number of times, so you can change it any number of times. Only the saved preferences will be considered. So you would have already saved for your first round, so once the mock results are out, you edit it and finally you save it. That choice filling will be considered for allotting the colleges. Okay, add only those colleges and courses that you are sure to join if allotted. Okay, so because you know you cannot retrieve if you are getting a college, so make sure that you are putting only those colleges and courses in which you are interested to join. Okay, so now let's understand step by step. So first of all, you should be very thorough with the last year's cutoff data. Okay, so the cutoff data gives you an insight about the pattern and most importantly the realistic expectations. Okay, you being a rank holder of 30,000, you cannot expect RVCE computer science, right? How do we know that? That you can know from the last year cutoff. So definitely analyzing COMEDK previous year cutoffs help you to understand which colleges and courses are in your range, right? So please refer to the COMEDK last year cutoff before preparing your option entry. Okay, next important thing is ranking. Again, I'll tell you, ranking is not everything. Okay, you should be also checking the reality, what is there in a particular college. Suppose for example RV college is the topmost college, then you have BMS, MSRIT, these are the top colleges, but only ranking does not matter here. You should also consider a lot of other things. What are they? So ask yourself that do you enjoy the branch you are selecting, or you are just choosing it because it is a higher ranked college. For example, in RV college you are getting mechanical branch, okay, but you are genuinely a tech guy, you are not interested in this particular branch, so you should not choose it at that point of time, right? So you should be focusing on your interest, on your strength and weakness, and not just okay, this is the top college, let me go there. Okay, so branch that you are getting, that also should be of your choice. Next, your interest in a subject directly affects how is your 4 years going to be in a college. If you are taking some branch in which you are not interested, the next 4 to 5 years will be difficult for you. So please keep that in mind and then choose the college and the course. Okay, so Course selection should be based on the curiosity and career aspirations, not just peer pressure. So just don't have that, okay, I'll be an RV college student, I'll have a different reputation, or I will be in MSRIT, BMS. These are some top colleges, PES, okay. So PES definitely doesn't consider COMEDK, but still I'm just giving an example here. So you should not be following the crowd, following the peer fame, nothing. Just only thing that you need to focus is your career aspirations. So when you are selecting a college, you should also consider the alumni support, internship culture and industry tie-ups. This is very, very important for a particular college to have the to select because this is going to affect your placement rate. So only ranking, only cutoff will not matter. You have to overall check a college, do proper research about that, right? Next, if I have next thing that I want to tell you is the golden pyramid strategy for choice filling. Okay, this is very, very important. So here what you have to do is you have to add colleges in 3 levels. The top 10% of colleges, like for example, you are adding 100 colleges. That means the top 10 colleges should be those colleges where the cutoff is very high and your chances of getting there is very less. Okay, but these are the top colleges. So at the top of the pyramid are your ambitious picks, the top 10% of the colleges you love, even if your chances are very slim there. Okay, if your chances are not there, still you need to add those colleges. Next one, this segment is very important, 60%. The middle tier or the match picks make up about 60% of your list. These are the colleges where your rank aligns closely with the last year cutoff and you have a solid chance here, and they should be your primary focus. So for example, if your rank is 30,000, the colleges whose cutoff is from 50,000 to 15,000, 15K to 29K will be your mid colleges where you have more chances of getting. Okay, next are the backup colleges where you have finally the base is for your safety picks. So these are the colleges where the cutoff is much below than your rank and you will sure get a chance in this particular colleges. So please add those colleges also, so that at the end you don't end up empty-handed. It's like the counseling process is over and you don't get even a single college. So to avoid that, you need to have this base of 30% colleges. Okay, so if total you are adding 100 colleges, 10 should be of top priority, top ranked colleges where you are interested in. 60 colleges should be the mid rank where the cutoff is slightly matching to your rank, and then 30% should be the backup options. I hope you are getting this one. So I'll give you an example. So if your rank is suppose 32,000, okay, so you should be selecting the top colleges between 10K to 20K. Then your mid colleges should be between 20 to 31K, and then the backside, the rest colleges should be below 32K. I will give you an example here. So, but before that, let me tell you something. Apart from the rank, placement, there are 2 other things, 2L, that you must consider while selecting a college. The first one is the location and the second one is the lifestyle, or we call the campus life there. Okay, so location means suppose you are not a person who wants to stay far away from your home, you will feel homesick in that case. So better choose a college which is near to your location. Or do you want to stay far away from your home so that you don't get distracted? Then you can choose a college which is far away from your home. Or you can also prefer a metro city for more exposure, for more opportunities, or a better city life if you want to enjoy. And then you can also think about the travel, the cost of living. These all things you should be considering, the hostel fees and everything, while selecting the location of a college. Similarly, you should also choose the lifestyle there. See, the campus life is something which you are going to experience for next 4 to 5 years, and these are something which is the best, which should be the best experience of your life. So what is the college infrastructure, the hostel facilities, the sports facilities are there or not, library facilities, your other clubs activities are there or not, and you have special any fest arranged there or any particular functions are there or not. These all things also matter a lot to make your college life more interesting and memorable. So please make sure that you consider these facts as well. Okay. Next we have here make your option entry. So as I told you, first 100 plus, at least 100 plus options you need to add, and arrange them in the priority order. The one which should be realistic and backup option should also be there, and higher preference, the more chances of getting it. If you add more number of choices, you have more chances of getting into the colleges. And also make sure that your option entry is a balanced one with dream colleges, realistic colleges and safe choices. Okay, so now if I just give you an example, so my rank is 32,000 according to this example. So I have added first few colleges which are very top rank and I won't be getting that, but still since I love these colleges and branches, I have put them. So around 500 to 4,000, these are my colleges where I won't be getting. Almost 15 options I have added. Next you can see here that, okay, sorry, this one is the, yes. So these are the first 20 colleges. I'll tell you this option entry, this is the final one. So this is the 20 colleges that I have added where I am interested, and these are the branches where I won't be getting, but still I have added since I am interested. Okay, next are my colleges where I have very mid colleges where I have slight chances. A small error here, just a minute. Here are those where I have chances. Okay, moderate chances are there. So since my rank is 30,000, I will be planning from 16,000 to 30,000. Okay, so I've started from 16,000. These are the 19,000 cutoff, and these are all those colleges where I am genuinely interested to join. Okay, next I'll show you the list still continues, because here I have the colleges where I have chances of getting. Okay, so I will be still continuing up to 25,000. This is the major section, and in this section I have to add more number of colleges, right? So you can see till 25,000 I have added, and next I have added up to 32,000. Okay, so these are my mid colleges list where I have high chances of getting, and I will be, if the cutoff changes slightly also, I will have solid chance of getting into these colleges. So almost I can say 30 to 40 options I have added in this particular range. Now comes the next one where I have definitely get, these are my backup options. These colleges are those where the cutoff is more than my rank. Okay, so 32,000, 33,000 up to 40,000 I have taken. So these colleges, these branches are those where I will be easily getting. So these are my backup options. Okay, you can extend this also, another up to 50,000 you can get. Okay, so this is just an example to show you how to make your option entry. Now let's see. So do you find that this process is quite tedious? Yes, of course, yes, because you have to check each and every branch, each and every college, the cutoff, your interest. You have to arrange a lot of things, right? So to help you with this, to make your task easier, what I have done, what we have done actually is Deeksha's, this tool is there where you just have to enter your rank and the branch of your choice. Okay, and all the colleges that is available for you at that particular rank will be shown here. Now you can download this, and a detailed video on this is made by Jasmine ma'am in this video. This super easy tool, how to use it, you can watch this video and utilize this tool. And we also have this video made by ma'am where she has explained how to do the choice filling. Okay, so you would have already done it, but still if you have any doubt for the second round, for the mock after the first round, the mock round after the mock round, whatever you want to, if you want to edit, how to edit the option entry, you can see from here. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful and would have cleared all your doubts regarding the choice filling. If you have any further questions, do comment down. We will definitely address to it. Thank you for watching and all the best.